Northwest in the Premier League in half an hour. Official Smooth Radio app. A sunny day ahead.
Back passenger tayo. Hey, kaya nandito si baby.
Highs of 17 degrees from Global's newsroom. You're up to date. This is Smooth Radio.
Got some great music lined up here, including Madonna next on Smooth.
Always the best music for the Northwest.
Balik si Kid sa ospital kasi tingnan siya ng kanyang nurse at she's yun bit niya yung car seat kasi hindi ako marunong gumamit ng istadihan ko pa guys. Ang hirap, binakabit-bit siya lagi. Tapos yun si mother, sobrang ganda ng weather, sobrang saya ko kasi ang ganda ng weather. Grabe ang sun for the first time after winter. Oh. Mitunga na siya, mitunga. It's done. Very quick lang siya. Iyak na iyak. How to do it? You're not showing me.
I'll show you when we put it up.
Andiyan yung kanyang wheeler. How to fold it? How to open it?
Press the buttons.
Which button?
Them. Yeah.
Ah.
Unclip it there.
Okay.
Press them and it will fold up.
Alright.
And then you press them. And it'll fold down.
Okay.
It's just that clip outside what locks it up. Which clip?
So that's the lock.
That's
I
the
see.
Lock. That lock there.
That's the hard part of being a first parent. Hindi namin alam kung paano gamitin yung mga yung pram. Kaya lagi pag nag-appointment, session lagi nakabitbit yung yung car seat, which is grabe ang hirap. Na guys, yung kanyang higaan, yung kanyang ano ba tawag dyan? Tapos yung kanyang pram. Sarap ng chocolate. Alis kami ngayon kasi sobrang ganda ng weather. Punta kami sa walk din. Tapos doon kami magtanghalian. First time ganda ng weather since winter. So sabi ko sa kanya, hindi tayo muna uwi. Aalis tayo, lakad-lakad tayo para Tsaka may bibilhin lang para kay baby. So ulitin natin yung yung araw na maganda ang weather guys kasi minsan nang sa Yuki as in. Galing kami sa hospital kasi binalik namin si Cade. You have to practice your dad now. The struggle.
Oh my days.
Oh my dash. There you go. Yeah, Daddy knows how to do it now. Good job, Daddy. Oh. Is it locked now?
Oh.
No?
Oh.
That's better. Put your... Hindi ko nilagay yung kanyang protection dito. Instead nilagay ko yan kasi para mas easy. Kasi nachuchok kasi siya eh. Okay.
Where's his little cloth?
It's in my pocket. Just put it there and kiss. Yeah. Ooh. Punta tayo dyan sa Darren's. Yeah, it's better. See?
It's nice for the camera.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hanapan namin siya ng kanyang unan. You're so good on that. Daddy. You're so good on that, Daddy. My God, who's that little chicken there? Who's that little chicken in there? Somewhere here, on the pillow area. Hello, it's nice lagi this one. What's that?
That's a rug.
It's a rug. Pillow, where are you? Let's have a look. No, that's not. What is that noise? Huh? Is it okay?
Just getting used to.
Where's the pillow? Oh my God, babe. Babe. Oh my God. My favorite.
You'd be happy with just one of them, wouldn't you?
Ganda ng pillow. Oh, ganda ng mirror, ha?
You'd be happy with just one of them. That's all you need in life.
Oh my God. I'm gonna be happy. Happy inside the house looking after all the time.
How can you look after him when you would just be pausing in the mirror all the time?
I mean, like posing all the time with Cade. Ay, hindi namin mahanap yung kung ano man. O, yung unan. Andito kami sa Subway. Guys. Tapos, ayun si Shu nag-order ng sandwich. Against the light man tayo dito. Andito tayo sa Subway. Tapos, yung mga bata kanina naglakad kami. Sabi nila, £1 daw para sa ticket. Same to you. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman kasi yung mga bata para sa kanilang is Happy Easter. £1 sa sugar. Hingi silang £1 kung anong laman ito. It's a chocolate. Chocolate pala yung laman. Ang cute. Kinder. Okay, di man ikin makaon. So, magkaon ni ang iyang daddy. Ayan si Sean.
Sprite, Coke, Fanta.
Akala ko kanina yung laman is pangtali sa buhok, hindi pala chocolate. Nagutom na ako kanina pa. Babe, it's a chocolate.
This one?
It's a chocolate.
Is it?
Kinder. I thought it's something for the hair. This is what. What did you get? Chocolate.
Oh, right.
Is that yours or mine? Alright. The one without onion, the onion one. Oh, cheese and onion, yeah.
I got a cheese and cherry. What's this? I know that's mine, but what's all this in my space?
You like it?